beginning in the 1950s and onward, information technology branched. A whole new world within the broader kind of history of IT emerges. And this world has a very generic name, but it's a very powerful name, and that is input. Input and typing are completely different things. Typing is based on the idea, and for anyone that types in English or French or German or Hebrew, or then the list goes on, the assumption is that what you type is what you get. If I depress a key, I expect the corresponding symbol on that key to appear on the screen, okay? And I expect to look down and see my writing system in front of me. That is not how it works in China. That's not how it works in Japan. That's not how it works in Korea. That's not how it works in many parts of the world. Instead, in China, when you're using a QWERTY keyboard, you are using the keys in front of you to give instructions to the machine. You are telling the machine, okay, machine, we have an agreement. We're using, let's say, a phonetic input system. So when I type the letter D, I don't want you to put D on the screen. I want you to go into memory, gather up all the characters you can find whose pronunciation begins with the sound D. And then when you type another key, maybe A, I want you to get rid of all the ones that we don't need and just bring me the characters that have the pronunciation Da. And then if I write another thing, Z, the letter Z, I want you to go back into memory and bring me back another character such that you can combine it with the first one to create a word, in this case, 打字, to type. And so you can see a video, once it will sort of show you here, and you can see a graphic behind you, which shows what this process is. So as you type, it's trying to guess what character you want, and every keystroke you make, it's improving and improving upon the guess and the suggestion for you. So it's a kind of circular process. It is not what you type is what you get. And in the strange irony of history, because history always likes to befuddle us, is that input is, as a system for dealing with computers, is one that actually takes advantage of the power of computers.